Friends, most people in e-commerce make the same mistake. They spend weeks building a store, hoping the product will take off. The numbers aren't forgiving. Most of these projects shut down within the first month because they're built on assumptions rather than real market data. Success in e-commerce isn't about designing the perfect store first. It's about validating demand before committing time and resources. My name is Daniel, and today I'll show you a tool called Copyfy. It helps you analyze what is already working in the market and move from raw data to a ready Shopify store in minutes. Instead of guessing, you operate with signals. Rather than building blindly, you build strategically. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Folks, Copyfy is an AI-powered platform built to help you work with real market data instead of assumptions. Rather than spending weeks building a store and hoping demand exists, you begin by analyzing what's already selling and gaining traction. It combines product research and store creation into one structured workflow, showing you items that are actively generating traffic and running ads. From there, you can launch a ready-to-test Shopify store in minutes. The real shift here is strategic. You validate first, execute fast, and structure your testing around signals rather than guesswork. Friends, this platform does two things. It shows what is selling right now, and it lets you launch a ready-to-test Shopify store in minutes. Instead of acting as a designer or copywriter, you move into the role of a strategist. We start in the dashboard and head straight to the top products section. The system has already analyzed over 200,000 items. Instead of guessing what might work, we look at real numbers, traffic volume, and active ads. Everything here can be filtered and broken down into visual charts, making trends easier to interpret. You can focus on monthly visits, low-ticket or high-ticket categories, depending on your strategy. If you're working with dropshipping, you can filter for products you don't need to hold in inventory. Folks, there are language and advanced filters that help you narrow your search and focus only on products that match your criteria. This is a full analytical filter designed for structured product selection. You can also choose recommended items and analyze them directly. The platform tracks historical data and visualizes product behavior through traffic sources and ad consistency. Stable advertising combined with sustained traffic usually signals active revenue. This is what market signal analysis looks like in practice. You're not choosing what you personally like, you're choosing what the market already validates. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Mates, let's select a product with a visible growth trend. For example, this keyboard shows solid momentum. I copied the product link and moved to Shop AI. You don't have to go through the full manual setup. The system handles the heavy lifting for you. I pasted the product link, selected the store language, and clicked Generate. The AI takes the product and builds an optimized page within seconds. That allows us to launch multiple test stores in the time it normally takes to build one manually. And in e-commerce, the volume of testing often determines who finds the winning product first. It is your competitive advantage. The store is now ready, and from here, we can start shaping it the way we want. We can adjust the name, and the product images are automatically generated inside the AI shop, with the option to edit them directly during the configuration process. By clicking Edit Image with AI, you can refine or regenerate visuals without leaving the interface. Folks, we can instantly preview both mobile and desktop versions to see how the storefront actually feels across devices. From here, we can open the live version and test how everything functions. Different blocks and sections can be adjusted directly in the editor. Theme activation is simple, color palettes can be changed, and design elements can be refined quickly. Within a few clicks, the store can be published and connected to Shopify. Mates, this means you can launch several stores across different products in a short time. The path from data analysis to a live store can take less than 5 minutes. Copyfy doesn't just save time, it introduces a structured workflow built around real market data. Instead of treating product selection like a lottery, you operate based on validated signals. That shift changes how you approach testing. Try this approach and explore how it fits into your own workflow. If you want to test it yourself, you'll find the link in the description. Friends, in e-commerce, the advantage rarely comes from having the perfect idea. It comes from testing faster and making decisions based on real signals rather than assumptions. The longer you spend guessing, the more expensive each mistake becomes. Copyfy doesn't remove risk, but it changes how you approach it. Instead of building blindly and hoping for traction, you analyze what's already working and move into execution with structure. Guys, that shift from intuition to validation can significantly improve how you test and scale. I personally use this platform and find it useful for speeding up research and store setup, but the decision to use it or not is always yours. What matters most is adopting a smarter workflow and focusing on speed, iteration, and data. Hopefully, this breakdown helps you approach e-commerce more strategically. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. You'll find all the coupons and special offers there, including the code DAN30. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.